of them, and they're big. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, there are actually more than 12 now. They keep coming in, and they pop in their heads up as they're coming in. I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'm gonna kind of zone through and let you guys see what I'm seeing. I don't know if you'll see them, but this is cool. Okay, there's 3 or 4 where they're snorkeling. There's 3 or 4 that keep popping their head up. And then there's 3 or 4 that keep popping their head up here. And there's one back here. And then there's 3 or 4 up here. And there's like 3 or 4 over here that keep popping their head up. These are the ones that I originally saw that popped its head up just now. See that? But I am so excited right now. I have my snorkel kit, but I don't have an underwater camera, so it isn't really going to do me any good as far as images wise. So I'll just stay up here on shore and record these beautiful creatures floating in the water. This is just the coolest. And then over there, they're popping their heads up and coming up. And you can see them up on the shoreline close to where these rocks are. You'll start to see, and then you have to realize, like, this one right here is a turtle, not a rock. I don't know if you can see it. That's a turtle, not a rock. That's a turtle. There's another turtle. That's a turtle. There it is. See the turtle? And there's another one coming up to it. There's 2 right together. I'm so excited. Little town called Wailuma, and this is their backyard. Mountains. I don't know if you can see all of them, or volcanoes, or whatever you want to call it. This is Wailuma. I mean, I go to Wailuma Bay to enjoy some scenery. Look at that. That is so beautiful. So big. I drove up over that way, and it just looks bigger and bigger as you drive. And all these people's houses, this is their backyard. All of that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, currently we are at the Wailea Beach Park, and that right there is the Chinaman's hut. It's also called something different because of the location, but this is where I'm at on this side of it. You're not going to see many tourists here. There's no state facilities or any kind of nothing of the sort. There's really not any good swimming here because the offshore ocean is really it drops off, and then there's lots of reefs, and the water is real murky, so a lot of people you will not find down here. There's not really much to do except for look at the beautiful scenes and get a beautiful idea of what this side of the ocean looks like and this side of the island looks like. So it's just real murky, not really pretty, not really anything much to look at except for the beautiful background. Kind of with all these things sticking out reminds me of Stockton Lake, to be honest. But anyhow, this view is spectacular. And it's this beautiful breeze. The smell is beautiful. The sound is beautiful, except for that big old truck in the background doing his business. But you won't run into a lot of people here. You definitely won't be swimming here. Look, there's a bird talking to me. This is just relaxing on the rock. So if you just want some quiet area to get sun, this is the place. Just definitely don't want to be swimming. I guess you could get wet, but the water doesn't look all that great compared to what I've been on before. And the beach is definitely real dark dark beach. Almost, it's like black. But it's a beautiful view. And you can see the Chinaman's hat from this side. This place is good for fishing. A lot of fishermen will come here. Just real good time for catching things. So there is a boat on the water. Not for sure if you can see it, just out this way. But this is where a lot of fishermen will come because there's lots of good fishing. Now if we go further out that way, I don't know where the island went. Out this way right here, there's more of a beach that you can kind of get to. We'll go there, of course. But on that one, you can actually get out on the water and enjoy the other side of Chinaman's Hat. So we're on our way. Here we go. All right, just because I found a little swing, I'm gonna have to swing on it just like I say I swung on the swing. Now watch it break on me. So I'm gonna be real careful and walk on these rocks that they have. It's pretty sturdy. We'll see. All right, I'm gonna turn this off and I'll come back when I get on the swing. Okay, I'm on it. It doesn't really feel stable. So I think it's just for legs. We will just not swing. I'll just say that we did. Thank you there, I'm on it. If I let this thing go, I'm gonna land in that. And I really don't want to land in that right now. So we'll just say that we swung on the swing on Oahu Hawaii Bay. I'll have to figure the word again on the bay. But we'll just say we swung on it, okay? Hope everybody has a fun time. Bye. Looking at it, I'm on it. And I am swinging. And I am really nervous because I don't want it to break. But it's not breaking and it's holding me up. So, hey, I'm swinging. And this is what you get. So if I fall, I'll let you guys know. All right, bye. All right, we didn't fall, so we can officially say we swung on the swing that was here. And we didn't fall, and getting out was a little trickery because it's kind of slippery down there. And I was like, oh gosh, here I go. I'm not gonna fall off the swing, but I'm gonna fall in the water trying to get off the swing. Okay, anyways, moving on. See you guys later. This is still the same mountain back there where they filmed the Jurassic Park. So we're only like just a few minutes from the other location where we was at. Through all the stuff. Not really good parking, but it's all good. And then there's like a creek, like river like thing. I'm not for sure the name of it. I'll have to Google it again and put it on there. But there is a bridge that you cross over, and this is where some of the water comes in, like a spring, I think is what it said. So I'll flip the camera around and show you the other way. time we are going to be over on the west coast instead of the east coast, and I'll put all of the titles of the locations where we are in the recording. Thanks for watching and hope you guys are enjoying it so far. Here comes a big wave. Here it comes. Hold on, we might get wet. I don't know. I'm ready for it. Yes! Oh my gosh. We're okay, I'm gonna hold on. Here comes the bigger one. Here it comes, here it comes. Oh dear Lord. I love it. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Nasty. Here comes another one. Here comes another one. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. I love this. I am soaked, like literally, it's dripping all down. This is awesome. The wet pipe puller won't work when I try to flip it. Here it comes, here it comes. Probably the coolest spot I think I've been in for a little bit. Here it comes, here it comes. This is fun. Okay, so I had to make it back to my car because I'm soaked. It knocked me over. I kept my hand right there and right there, and I lost a shoe, but I found it, so I got my shoe back. Did not cut my feet at all, which I'm surprised. It broke my glasses. Like, they're gone. So yeah, I thought I was gonna lose my phone or my life because it literally just came in and then the water just swept me out. So that's fun, but I don't recommend that you stand that close to the rocks unless you've got a stable grip, because I did not have a stable grip. Well, I found my glass piece. I had to go back down there. Found them, put them together, and I still have the cuts, and I've realized I have more cuts on this hand too. So I don't know how I landed. I don't know what I did. I don't know why my phone still works. I had to take it out of the cover because it was soaked. So I'm hoping my phone continues to work and doesn't decide to all of a sudden become waterlogged and die.